everybody!
Welcome back to Rattle Together. All right, we are here with just a little butterfly check-in. And some exciting stuff happened last night. Look at that, guys.
4.
Yeah, there are 4 butterflies in there. I don't know if you can see them all. 1. Yep. You should be able to see them all. And then one is still in its chrysalis. I wonder when he's going to come out.
He's the youngest.
See all the empty chrysalids hanging? It's pretty cool.
And one is down here.
And one's right down there in the front.
So we finally got to
our last stage.
Last stage.
Yeah, we talked about that yesterday.
4th stage.
Yeah, we made our butterfly life cycle yesterday. I'm really excited about these butterflies. They're all little baby butterflies. I wish that we had been here in time to see them come out.
Yeah. Maybe we should stay a little bit late tonight and wait until the last one hatches so we can make a video when it starts moving.
You think? I don't think we can. We can't just sit here and stare at them all day.
I know, we can't just sit here and stare. But
so anyway, I just wanted to do that little check-in with you guys. And I know I said I would give you the answer to the riddle today in our little video, but I think we should let the riddle wait. What do you think, Jane? Should we answer the riddle? The riddle was, what is so fragile that just by saying its name, you break it? Do you have an idea? You do? What do you think?
air.
Air?
You're always breaking air. I mean, I'm touching it and I can't even feel it.
But it's not breaking.
Kind of.
Keep thinking about it. You all keep thinking about it too. And we'll get back to you with the answer soon. And starting next Friday, we're going to try to do a new, actual video segment. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call it yet. Maybe Ask Me Anything. That sounds good. And you guys can submit questions, anything you want, during the week. And then I will pick 1 or 2 questions to answer. And Friday we'll do a video chat, like a Google Hangout, with whoever's questions I'm going to answer. And so you would be on my laptop on a Google Hangout with me in my office, and we'll talk and I'll answer your questions. And if you give me your questions early in the week, then I have all week to think about the answers, to research, to find pictures and examples and things like that. So that is my next plan.
Noticed something.
What did you notice?
That one butterfly in the corner over there has a little bit of orange on it, but none of the others do. It's actually, I think it's probably starting to look like it, like that maybe.
So,
Maybe they.
Jane might have missed my videos yesterday that I posted. So let's tell her. Do you guys remember? Anyone who saw that video? Right. So sometimes the butterflies will open their wings, and when they spread their wings out, the top part of them, their top, is the orange and black and white. But then when they close them, the bottom side of them is the different shades of brown. Yeah, it's interesting, right? I don't know if we can get any of them to flap during this video. But you see how even on this one, the top is, on the model, the top is orange and black, but the bottom is not. That's how it is in real life.
So.
And you know why that is? Do you know why? Where do butterflies live in the world?
All over.
Okay. Mostly you'll see them like in forests or near flowers and trees. So when they're just sitting still and their wings are folded, what does it help with if their wings are brown?
Oh, to blend in.
To blend in. It camouflages
with the
them.
trees.
Right, exactly. So predators can't find them. Its proboscis is moving. Yeah.
It's like it's holding an
I don't
invisible
want to show everyone
weight.
the back of Jane's
It's
head.
it's holding an invisible weight, and it's like
It's trying to. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I will see you on Monday. I hope to get questions from you guys. Send them to me in my email, rburns, rburns, @kusd.org. Please send me your questions. We'll have so much fun. Yeah, that's the best way to get me your questions. And I already have a special guest lined up for next Friday. So the person who gets me their questions first will be the one after that. All right? I hope that you are all happy and healthy and safe. Love ya. Mwah.